The makeup has started being applied. Everyone, welcome back to the weekly vlog. So right now I am getting ready. I have a shoot that I have to do, and I'm a little bit nervous because first of all, like, this is like my first shoot that I've like put together myself, and I'm doing my own hair, I'm doing my own makeup, so I just hope everything like turns out good. I'm a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna even hold you, but I'm just gonna see how this shoot goes, like with me just like doing my makeup and using this photographer. My friend is going to help me, Carla. You guys have seen her before, Carlita.
You know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No, if you need me, no, I'm riding, baby. No, I know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No, I'm riding, baby. You know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No, if you need me, no, I'm riding, baby. No, I know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No.
Y'all, so this is the makeup. I think it looks okay. I'm not doing like heavy powder or anything. This light's washing me out. I'm not doing heavy powder or anything. I just have to put on my lashes.
You know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No, if you need me, no, I'm riding, baby. No, I know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No.
Oh, it's like slightly higher from where you were.
Okay, like here? Yes, no, maybe
No,
so.
that's not bad at all.
Killer.
You tell me. I think these are beautiful.
I just need one. Oh, so
You know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No, if you need me, no, I'm riding, baby. No, I know I got you, baby. Girl, I know you solid, ain't no doubting, baby. No, I'm rolling with you, ain't no capping, baby. No.
Carlita. I got this setting spray, I love it. You want to try it?
Sure. You gonna do your makeup?
Makes your makeup look better, yeah.
You think my makeup looks good?
Yeah, it looks so good.
I think every time I put the mask on. Like my nose makeup.
Yeah, it messes up. Are you losing weight?
It's not working out.
No, but why are you working up your upper body?
Because I want to get stronger. Like Marina. I've been watching Marina's videos.
Yo, her butt got so big.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You saw her in person?
No, I saw her on the gram.
Oh,
Marina, your butt got so big.
She always had a big butt though.
Yeah, she had like thick thighs.
Mm-hmm. She had a big butt.
What happened to us?
It's good.
If I get a big ass, it's over. Look at Carla's booty. Bootylicious.
Because they're high-waisted. I mean,
I do not like high-waisted.
I don't either, but I just like the ones.
No, they make your. Which ones did you wear when we were at your house? The pants
No, those are.
Yeah, no, those made your butt.
Those are American Eagle, but
Hey, Carla.
they were too tight. Yes.
Hey.
So hey y'all, it is the following day after the shoot. Y'all will never believe what happened. So let me go back. So I'm at the hotel like after like we did the shoot and everything, and so I'm literally gonna wake up like right before class and stuff because like checkout was at 11 and I didn't ask for like to extend my checkout time. I was just like, I'll leave at 11. Long story short, I hear bang 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 bang. Y'all, tell me why the room like across from me, they were getting arrested. So there was supposedly like some big like fight, like boxing fight or something. So I don't know if it was like held at the hotel or if they were like just screening it there, but literally like 6 police, well I don't even know if they were police officers because they were in like all black. I swear the craziest things happens like where I am. These like they were just in all black. They had gas masks on, so people are like opening their doors and is saying like what's going on. But the hotel, I don't know if it was the manager or something, was like, please stay in your rooms, stay in your rooms. So then long story short, they ended up arresting the guy. I'm not saying like they were nice, but they let him walk. They just handcuffed him and they were like, hey, do you have a mask? Like they were very like professional. And then they ended up arresting like the 2 girls like in the room as well. And then I'm like, okay, all right, it's done. They like went down the hallway and arrested somebody else. I was like, what is happening on the 40th floor? Oh my goodness. I was shocked. I was like, damn. So yeah, so that's what happened when I like the next morning that I woke up, and I recorded a little bit of it where you can hear. But I was just like, oh my gosh. I was like, just please like don't like let them hurt him, like let them just like arrest him normal and stuff. And they did. And hopefully like, you know, but when you have like a warrant for your arrest, like it could be like you missed court or something, like it could be something simple. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to go to Home Goods with my mom. So I just came home from Home Goods. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. They had some really cute stuff. So I got like all house things. So I got this really cute vase and it sits like this. I thought this was really cute, and this was only $12.99. I'm obsessed with flowers. I buy myself flowers all the time. My mom buys me flowers. Some other people send me flowers, which I love and I appreciate. I'm just a flower kind of girl. So I thought this was really cute. So I got that. And then for my bathroom, I got these lemon and tangerine soaps. They're so cute, and they like literally smell like lemon and tangerines, and they're so cute. And I think these will look really cute in my bathroom. We're actually redoing my bathroom and I'm excited. So I'll take you guys along the journey with that. We're just like doing a little bit of renovations because a lot of stuff is happening. So I definitely want to share that with you guys because I am obsessed with home decor. So you guys can kind of see like the stuff that I like. I also got this fiber body scrub. I love exfoliants, especially in the summer, because I feel like your skin kind of like changes a little bit. And this one feels good, so I'm definitely gonna try these out tonight. And they're 100% cotton, so I think like this will be really good for exfoliating my skin. And then I just got like a hands and feet exfoliant as well, because I've been doing my own pedicures because I get like a little skeezed now with the nail salons and stuff. So I've just been doing like my own gel pedicures, and I really like them because I get the shape like how I really like them. Then I bought a new fruit bowl for my parents. It's so pretty. They always buy like lots of fruits and stuff, but they have just like a basket, and I thought this was like really cute, and like very neutral, and it has like a rainbow effect, but it will be like really cute once it's set up. I'll show you guys, but I got this for them and it's cute. I also bought a Vitamix, which I also got some sparkling water. I usually get the Voss, but they didn't have any. I should have bought more because we love sparkling water in the house. So I got this one. I never tried this brand, but it was only $9.99. And then I also got some coconut water. Like we literally always have sparkling water, mangoes, and coconut water in our house. Like those are like our essentials. Yeah, so I got those. And then I also got like a Vitamix to make the sea moss gel. This is solely to make the sea moss gel. We already have like food processor and our like blenders and stuff, but that is like for our house. So I wanted something just for Jamrock roots. So this is the one. product. So he was just kind of giving me the scope of, you know, how that platform could kind of help me grow into being in stores and all of that, which is really cool. And then my next meeting was about YouTube. YouTube is really hard, guys. I'm not gonna even hold y'all. It's extremely hard when it is you by yourself, and I say you by yourself when you don't have a circle of people doing the same thing. Like, say you are in school to be a surgeon. There are other students in school to be a surgeon with you in the classroom. You guys can study, you guys can kind of look at different things. With YouTube, it's solo dolo unless you have like a group of, or you know someone that is also doing YouTube as well. It can be like very frustrating because it's like you're teaching yourself. YouTube has algorithms just like Instagram. It's just a lot of things. And then behind the scenes that you guys don't see are brand deals that you don't know where to pivot, because it would be great if you knew someone that actually worked with this brand and say, girl, why are they offering you that money? They have a bigger budget. And you can go from here to there kind of thing. So it's really, really crazy to like navigate by yourself. And that's the same thing with entrepreneurship. It's like if you don't have someone that is an entrepreneur also in your circle and it's just you don't have someone to like bounce ideas off. Yes, you can do research. Yes, you can hit the ground running, but it takes time. And that's why I like invest in learning about different ways to like market, because I don't know everything and one person doesn't know everything. And literally you have to invest in your business, but you also have to invest in yourself to position yourself to know what you need to do, how to like scale your business. Is your business scalable? Are you talking to your customer? Are you, you know, selling your product, or are you creating a brand that is relatable that people just want to buy? Like, it's just so much that goes into it, and it's a lot. And then you have like the world around you as well. You know, you're trying to grow your business. Social media is in it. And then, you know, when you have a business and you're trying to grow your socials and stuff, it's all about content, which takes time. Like, content is king. You know, cash used to be king. It's still king, but now videos are king. So it's like TikTok, Facebook Reels, it's YouTube. It's so much things, but you literally kind of need a team. And I'm a team of one, and I'm trying to use my time wisely. I'm trying to like navigate. I've been really blessed these past like few weeks that so many brands are reaching out to me and they want to work with me, you know, and I've been extremely like blessed to be working with like the brands that I've been working with. Dossier, I'm so excited to work with them. I love working with them. I love perfumes. It makes sense to me. And you guys have ordered perfumes and you say you love the perfume, so it makes sense, you know. But yeah, and then I'm like navigating through life. I'm navigating through dating, honey child. I'm navigating through life. I'm finishing up school. Then you guys always asking me about like my dating life and stuff, which I that is very like tricky. Dating, I want to talk about it, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to call my therapist, which is my best friend, and just tell you what is happening in these dating streets. Like, my friends say I am too nice when it comes to dating. My mom says I am too nice when it comes to dating. But literally, like, I am just, when it comes to dating, I'm just a nice person. Like, yeah, I'm a little crazy, but who isn't? Dating is like really tough. Would I recommend dating? I don't know. If you have a strong heart and a strong mind, go for it. Go have fun. You know, I've heard a few girls that have went on dates and they've had amazing meals. They came back and went to bed and that was it. And I've heard of girls that have went on amazing dates, turned it into a little shopping trip. I wish I had the mind and the heart for that, but I'm really not. I cannot fake it, and I wish I could. Like, I honestly wish I could fake it, and I can't. Like, there's so many people that literally fake connections and fake so many things, and I just don't see that for myself. I just don't know how to fake it. If I care about you, I really care about you. And I don't know, I feel like everything is just so temporary. And the faster I can understand that concept, I think the better off I will be. I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer, baby, because I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer. But dating is tough. Would I recommend it? No. But I love love. Baby, baby.
But all I hear is noise. I don't have time for